Hello students, so today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is the linear equation in two variables. Okay, and we'll do the new topic today. Okay, so the new topic is the graph of a linear equation, okay, in two variables. So we have to make a graph for this equation, ax plus by plus c equals to 0, which is the general form of the linear equation in two variables, right? So before starting to draw the graph, okay, so can you tell me why a degree 1 equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is called a linear equation? Because obviously the name of the chapter itself is the linear equation in two variables, but why is this kind of equation is called a linear equation? So the answer is because if you draw the graph for this equation, it will be a straight line. Okay, so the straight line means linear. That is why it is called linear equation. Okay, because the graph of this equation will be a straight line. Okay, so that is why it is called a linear. So straight means linear, right? So that is why it is called a linear equation. Okay, so okay, so now let us move to the main topic, that is the graph of a linear equation. Okay, so without wasting time, we'll directly move to the sum. Okay, and we'll do the sum, and that is question number 1. Okay, so it is 4.3, I guess. Okay, this is exercise 4.3. So if you have in question number 1, the question is saying you have to draw the graph for the given equations, right? So suppose number 1 is x plus y equals to 4. Okay, so obviously you need a graph. Okay, but I don't have a graph, so like the previous chapter, I will use this paper only as a graph. Okay, so okay then. So first what you will do is you will express one variable in terms of the other. Okay, one variable in terms of other. So that is, you can express y in terms of x. So 4 minus x. Okay, isn't it? So it will be 4 minus x. So then you will find the points, at least 3 points. Okay, you can find more, but 3 will do. Okay, so so the first one is for x and this one is for y. Okay, so this means we'll put one value of x here, then you will get one value of y, that you will write here. For example, if I put x equals to 0, then what will you get? You will get y equals to 4 minus 0, that is 4, isn't it? Then if I put x equals to 2, then what will you get? You will get y equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2, isn't it? Then if I put x equals to 4, I can put 1 also, 3 also. Okay, but I am putting you can put randomly because it has infinitely many solutions, as I already told you in the previous class, isn't it? So y equals to 4 minus 4, that is 0. Okay, understood? So next, now we have 3 points. You can put more, but I am putting only 3. At least 3 will do. Okay, so then you will draw a graph. So if you draw a graph, I am drawing here. So this is the positive x side of x, this is origin, this is x dash. Okay, this is y o y dash. Okay, so this will be 0, then this will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, this side is positive, so 1 2 3 4 5. You use scale. Okay, that will be better. Okay, so I am drawing a free end, but it will be better if you use the scale. So this is negative side, so minus 1 minus 2. This is negative, minus 1 minus 2. I am not drawing the longer one because we only have the positive points, right? It is 0 comma 4, 2 comma 2, 4 comma 0. They are my points. Okay, so first I'll draw x is 0, y is 4, means 0 comma 4. So 0, x0 means we are not moving any distance through x-axis, 0, then comma 4. So 4 towards the positive direction of y-axis, 1 2 3 4. So this one is what? It is 0 comma 4. isn't it? So next 2 comma 2, so 1 2 comma 2, 1 2, right? So here somewhere out here, so 2 comma 2. So the next one 4 comma 0, so first is 4, 1 2 3 and 4 comma 0. So 0 means we are not moving towards y-axis. So okay, so next what I will do, so now I will join these points using scale. Okay, I'll join this point using scale. So you use scale, I'll do freehand. Okay, so if you'll join, you'll get a straight line. Okay, so see, if you draw a graph, you'll get a straight line. Okay, so that is why this type of equation is called a linear equation. So this is the graph. Okay, so this is the required graph, and this is the graph for the equation x plus y equals to 4. That is why I am writing x plus y equals to 4. Okay, so this is the graph for the given equation. So in this way you can draw the graph for question number 2 and question number 3 also. Okay, so I'll do number 4. So question number 4 is 3 equals to 2x plus y. Okay, so here what we will do, we will draw the graph for this equation. Okay, here also first what I will do, I will express one variable in terms of another. So if I keep y on this side and if I take this 2x to the left hand side, so what I will get 3 minus 2x equals to y, isn't it? So that I can write it as y equals to 3 minus 2x, isn't it? So again I will put one value of x and get the value of y for that corresponding value. Okay, so first is x, y. Okay, so if I put x equals to 0, then what will be the value of y? So if I put 0 here, so it will be y equals to 3 minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So 3 minus 0 will be 3. Isn't it? Okay. So next, if I put x equals to 1, then what will be my y? My y will be y equals to 3 minus 2 into 1, that is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 comma 1, right? So next I'll try to put x equals to 2. Okay, so if I put x equals to 2, then what will be the value of y? Y will be 3 minus 2 into 2, 4. So 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. You can check. Okay, so this will be the points. These are the points that I need to plot to get the graph for this equation. Okay, so I'll make the graph again. So if I make like this, so this is the positive side of x, this will be negative side of y, positive side of y, and this will be negative side of x, and this is the origin. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5. This will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now negative side, so minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. It will be minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, so now I will plot the points. So my first point is 0 comma 3. So 0 comma 3 is 0 1 2 3. So this one, so this is my 0 comma 3. Next one is 1 comma 1, right? So 1 comma 1. So here somewhere here, if you use scale, you will get exact, or if you use graph paper, then you will get the exact line. Okay, since this is my free end, so it will be little twisted somewhere, but you can use scale. Okay, so 2 comma minus 1, the last point is 2 comma minus 1, right? So I am plotting 2 comma minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1, 1 2 minus 1. So here, so now this I have to join using scale, right? So if you join, you will again get the straight line, you will obviously get. Okay, so this one you got. Okay, so this is the equation for 3 equals to 2x plus y. Okay, so in this way you can do. Okay, so I hope you have understood the sum, and then you try number 2 and number 3. Okay, and now we'll move to the next sum.